Hi, I know I'm kind of like at a weird angle, but I can't find my camera tripod, so I have a bunch of perfume bottles stacked on top of each other so I can get some type of height on my desk. But I'm here to show you what I got in this month's BoxyCharm. And I believe it's called Boxy Babes. Yep. Here it is. It says hashtag Boxy Babe, Caribbean Queen. And this box actually got me excited because it has this Alamar eyeshadow palette. And it says Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1, inspired by beauty and rich culture of Cuba, the birthplace of Alamar. Featuring 8 intensely pigmented shades ranging from delicate shimmers, high shine metallics, and velvety mattes. So I was really excited about this because look at these shades. They're so nice, so colorful and tropical, and I was really excited because, like I've mentioned before, I'm half Cuban, and this is actually coming from Miami too, which is where I'm originally from. So just wanted to represent by having this little palette. These are really like perfect shades for summer. And I'm actually gonna try on a few of the products that came in the box. I have the Giorgio Armani face powder foundation, I forgot what it's called. But I have that on my face, and the Glossier cream concealer. Yeah, I'm gonna use these eyeshadows, just something quick and simple. And these, I guess I'll use for highlight and some blush. But I got these brushes from, let me see, it's a Luxie 3-piece Flawless Complexion. These two, I think it's these two. Yeah, these two I'm actually really excited for. So I'm gonna use this stipple brush for when I buy my cream bronzer, which I'm gonna be getting soon. And this highlight brush. I've been wanting a highlight brush for the longest time, and this is like perfect. So let's begin. I'm just gonna do something simple, like I said, just so I can get this going. And I'm gonna go in with the Cocoa Taxi and just put that in my crease. And these colors are so pigmented and very easy to blend. And I'm gonna go in with Tropical. And put that in my outer corner. I don't know. Oh, I should have zoomed you in. Let me see if I can do this. I cannot. So I'm gonna have to hold you with my hands while I do this. So hopefully this will work. I'm gonna go with Cafecito. It's the brown on the bottom right corner. And I'm gonna go in my inner corner. And there's like no fallout. I'm sorry, I'm like, the camera's going everywhere. There's no fallout, which is really good. And I'm gonna go with this on my lower lid. Now I'm gonna go in with El Malecon. I'm gonna do this with my finger. I'm gonna go in with a blending brush. And there you go, that's the eyeshadow look. I'm gonna try and use La Costa as a inner corner highlight. That is pretty nice. And as you can see, it's very pigmented already, even like the shimmers. The consistency is creamy and smooth, kind of like a velvety feeling. But as you can see, you don't really need to wet it because it's just that pigmented. So yeah, let me show you the colors I used again. I used Cocoa Taxi on my crease, and then Tropico on the lower crease, Cafecito on the corners here, El Malecón on the lid, and La Costa on the inner corners. I didn't get, actually, I got this Joint de Blue, I don't know how to say it, but it's an eyeliner. It's a brown eyeliner, so I'm gonna do kind of like a winged look. Of course, you probably won't be able to see this very well, but I'll try, especially since this is focusing on my mirror. I'm gonna go in with this flat brush and try to blend this out. Put it on the lower lash, just a little on the corners. That's just a little something with the eyeliner. It's a bit messy, but I'm not a huge fan of, hoping my camera doesn't fall. I'm not a huge fan of pencil eyeliners. I prefer the liquid with a felt tip. But what you're gonna do, that's what came in the box. Okay, there's no mascara, so I'm gonna use my Tarteist mascara. I've been loving this mascara. I'm not even curling my lashes when I use it. That's gonna be really close. Yeah, look at the difference between this eye with just one coat and this with nothing. It's insane. I like to do 2 coats though. And this box did, oh, look at what 2 coats does. What? I'm sorry, I'm looking at my little screen thing, and it's like getting such a weird angle when I look at it. But this box came with false lashes, which I'll show you in a second. But you guys know, I've mentioned it before, I'm not a huge fan of false lashes just because they're difficult for me to put on, and my eyes are just very small almond shaped, so they feel heavy sometimes. But I will try them at some point, just not today. Sorry, there's like a hair on my wand. Here's one coat. Here's coat number 2. 2 coats seriously makes a huge difference with this mascara. And I also finally got my Monsieur Big, the waterproof version, which I'm really happy about. Switch it out. I really need to find my tripod. Okay, blush. So this is a precision foundation brush. I'm actually just gonna try and use it for my blush, just so we can use everything. so bad as a blush brush. Oh, and I use my little Too Faced Love Hangover Love Blush. Let's try and use that stipple brush. I have like a little sample of the NARS Laguna liquid bronzer. So I just put some of that on the back of my hand. Let's see if we can try and use this. Wow, this brush is like shedding on my face. It's really weird. So that bronzer blends really nicely. So I learned a little goes a long way with this. It's nice. I'm gonna put a little more blush. And okay, the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, I can't speak today, in Verona is what I got as well in my box. It's kind of like a mauve brown color. Not a huge fan of these shades because I just look dead in them. I don't know. Here's how the lipstick looks. It's kind of really close. I don't know. I need bright colors on my lips. I'm not one of those people who's like obsessed with nude shades for lipstick. I'm like, give me some color. Like my lipstick collection, I mean, is just like different shades of red and like bright pinks. But this formula feels really nice on my lips, which I like. So I'm gonna use the highlight brush because I forgot to put on some highlight, and I'm actually gonna get it from the Alemar palette, and I'm gonna use La Costa as my highlight. It's a really nice light shimmery pink. I'm gonna move you over here towards the lights. Whoa, that is amazing. Wow, I've never used eyeshadow as a highlight like on my face. But this is like a game changer. Look at that shine. I'm just putting it all over my face. I'm not going anywhere. Yeah, that is crazy. Crazy. Wow, that is. I'm sorry, I'm just mesmerized at that highlight. With that highlight, at that highlight, oh my goodness. I was gonna put some hand cream on my hand, but I have this, which I should clean off. Let me see if I can get some of it off. Okay. Somewhat clean, but I just wanted to show you this, which I got dirty. Sol de Janeiro, and this is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream infused with all-powerful guarania extract. I know I said that wrong, but what you can do. This cream I've actually used it a couple of times. I can't describe the smell. I don't know if there's like a description here. There we go. Pistachio with caramel. That's the smell that I'm getting. It's pretty strong, but it fades after a while. It's got a little bit. And this does leave your hands really leaves your hands pretty smooth. And I've seen that brand before, like at Sephora. And I've been wanting to try it, so this is actually perfect. I can just toss this in my bag and put it on with wherever. And the last item that I got in my box is Baddington Lashes. I've never heard of this brand. It says it's a Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. And this is what the box, well not the box, but the lashes look like. They're really pretty. And they're somewhat natural looking too. So I can't get them out of the package. They're really nice and soft. They're nice. I'll eventually use them. Maybe when I do my Besame tutorial, I'll put them on. But yeah, that is everything I got in my box. Very nice, very nice. But that's everything. This is the final look. And hopefully the next time I film, I'll have my tripod because this is a very, very strange angle and the lighting sucks. And I won't have like a mini panic attack every time I move my desk and my camera starts to shake on top of all these eyeshadow palettes and perfume that I have now. But that's it. Remember to subscribe, and I'm really gonna try to do more makeup tutorials. I've been kind of busy going to Disney. I've really been needing my time at Disney. And yeah, remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.